Hello and welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make presentation slides in LaTeX Overleaf. Why would you want to know how to do this? Well, maybe you'd like to create mathematical slides for a lecture which involves a lot of mathematical notation, and this can get really tedious and annoying doing it in PowerPoint, for example. So I'll be showing you how to create presentation slides in LaTeX Overleaf today. Check out the video description as I will try and leave written instructions there. So let's get started. I'm already on Overleaf and I'm on basically what the home page is with all of my projects. And what you're going to do is you're going to click on this little icon or tab that says new project, and you have a bunch of options. And if you scroll down all the way to the bottom, there should be a view all. So if you click on that, this takes you to various templates that you can use in LaTeX, and if you scroll further, there is an icon that says presentation. So if you click on that, and there are various templates that you can use, presentation slides. I'm going to go with the QFE Beamer theme, and I'm going to click on that. And then you're just going to click on Open as Template. And this is just going to take a second to compile. As you can see, there's two text files here and a web file. And if I just zoom into the code, the document class used is Beamer, so that's what they use for the presentation slide. And certain packages have already been installed. For example, the AMS math package, which is really helpful for mathematical presentation slides. And now you can basically put in the author, the title of your slides. So I've basically just edited the title, as you can see, and the author. And so I've basically removed everything inside the document environment except for this first frame, which is the first slide. And we've included the title page there where all of this comes into play. And that's basically it. If you wanted to then move on and create a new slide, what you're going to do is you're going to say begin frame, and you're going to type whatever you would like in that frame. So I'm just going to do that. And in the second curly brackets, I'm just going to put a title for my frame or for my page or for my slide. So if I recompile this, as you can see, when you move on to the next slide, you've basically got a new slide with whatever you type inside this begin frame environment, and the title is given here, which is really nice. I really like this format of the slides. And yeah, that's basically it, you guys. If you wanted to know how to make presentation slides in LaTeX Overleaf, this is the easiest way I know how. And if you know of another way, then leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe for more videos.